Is that such good ice cream? You're gonna hold your remote and your O. Eat your ice cream.
And he has good teeth that he could bite the cone.
Good boy.
That's really good.
Should we put more ice cream on it, Kim?
You wanna have more ice cream?
Haagen-Dazs vanilla. It's a good flavor.
Uh-huh.
It's good.
Okay.
Mm.
Yummy.
Yum.
Oh, he's gonna have a little taste of his O.
Yes.
He's a good boy.
So delicious. He's got his remote.
Good boy.
Good thing he has the remote.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
This is so good, Mom. Feels so good holding my hand like that.
Yeah. That's sweet.
It is. It really is.
Is it so good? You're doing great.
That's right.
It's good.
He's such a performer.
Yum. This remote is blinking.
Yeah.
Oh, where's good girl going?
It's good girl. She jumped off the stairs over the thing.
Really? She was upstairs?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Are you all done? Are you all done, Jack, so far? Yeah.
He likes the ice cream part.
What's
better
going
than
on over there? Oh, yeah, not done. Give his little feeties.
that. So sweet.
Good boy.